Hey, JB Minutier. Welcome back. Today, with our 1983 Porsche 944 project, we're going to be talking about fuel pumps. Yes. Interesting enough, I have a fairly new fuel pump here that I installed on this car when I first acquired this vehicle. I used it to do some testing on this car, and I got the car to start. Everything was great. But went ahead and did a little bit more work with the car. Went to go start it up again this weekend and found out my fuel pump may not be working. Luckily, I scored this amazing fuel pump, Bosch original, on eBay as a spare. I didn't realize I was going to need to use my spare so quickly, but looks like I'm going to have to, because I pulled the fuel pump off my car and rigged it up, and guess what I found? So I'll tell you what I found. I found this. So this is what a dead fuel pump sounds like. Well, at least, we won't say dead. We'll just call it compromised. Okay? What a compromised fuel pump sounds like. So tell me if you can hear this. I just hear a little click, clunk, click, clunk. That's what a bad fuel pump sounds like. Now I'll tell you what a fully operational fuel pump sounds like. Just give me a moment while I undo my rig here. Yeah, I was shocked, absolutely shocked, because I really only purchased this fuel pump. Number one, it was an amazing deal and a super deal that I couldn't pass up, and I just wanted to have a spare, you know. And at the price that I got this one for, you would have purchased this spare too. I think I got it for like $35, so it was a bargain, and I swooped it up, and no problem. But again, I'm a little disappointed because I was really looking forward to using this down the road. In this case, I really didn't even make it down the road yet. It only lasted a few months, so I just don't understand why it got compromised. When I try to clean it out, try to restore it some to see if that will help. It's possible I'll put some carb cleaner or something in there. Perhaps it will unseize, but right now it is seized. Okay, so this is what a fully operational fuel pump sounds like, okay? Big difference. Let this car go by. This is what a fully operational fuel pump sounds like. Okay, big difference. So, a fully operational fuel pump will spin, and a bad one will just make a clunk noise. So, fuel pump 101 for a Porsche 944. Thank you for watching. Take care.